Hi, so this question is dividing array into equal pairs. So you are given the integer array and return true if nums can be divided into n pairs, and otherwise return false. So if this is a pair, so which means the frequency is going to be twice, right? I mean it's going to be even number, right? So again, like just let me count for you. So this is 1, this is 2, so this is one pair, right? So this is going to be a key, this is going to be a frequency, right? And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So 2, you have 4 frequency. So if a frequency is even, then it's going to be a pair. If a frequency is odd, 1, 2, 3, 4, if this is odd, then it's definitely not a pair, right? So you just return false. So I can use a counting array. So the size is going to be what? From 1 to 500, right? So you have to include the index 0, so it's 501, and I traverse, and now I just increment the current position counter, right? Then I'm traversing again, and then if the counter at I mod by 2 does not equal to 0, which is going to be even, so you can return false, and otherwise return true. Yes, pretty much it, right? So let me submit. So let's talk about time and space, all of n for a space. Sorry, this is not all of n, this is all of 501 for the space. This is all of n for the time, all of 501 for the space, for the time as well. So just pick the maximum. So if you are talking about this one, the example one, the space is all of 501, time is all of n represent end of a nums array, and this one for the worst case is only be 501 because the you only have 6 elements inside a nums array, right? And all of 6 is less than all of 501, and this is pretty much it, right? And also you traverse a counting array, not the nums array. Alright, so I don't think you need a debug, but whatever, I'm gonna just set a debug right here, and just let me keep adding. Alright, so debug, submit. Alright, so this is pretty much the first iteration, right? And I already count for my the nums. So the frequency for 1 is what? 2, right? And the frequency for 2 is what? 15, and then the 3 is what? 4, right? And just count by yourself. And then I'm going to just pause right here, right? And then traverse, right? Alright, I hit it, right? I hit it, and I will return false, right? The answer is going to be false because what? The 15 is the odd number, right? So back to the question. So the second solution is going to be using a set. So still going to be using as an idea set. If you add a number into the set, right, it's going to be odd, right? And then if you see the number again, you can remove. So this is not in the set. So again, so imagine this is set, right? So if I add 3, the first 3 into a set, so this is 3, right? Alright, if I add the 2 into the set, then this is 2, right? And if I add another 3 into the set, so if you know, add function is actually a boolean, right? So when you add when you're using the add in for the set, you'll return false for the 3. This is because you have 3 inside the set. So I can say if you set the add is false, then I want to set a remove because the second 3 cancel all the first one, then I will remove this one, and then you just do the same idea for the rest of the numbers. So set integer, set new HashSet, for in nums if set.add num. So you'll definitely add a number into the set no matter what, and then you'll either return true or false. If the number is in the set, you'll return what? False, and the false by false is what? True, right? So if this is happening, you want to remove because this is a pair, right? And at the end, right, you want to make sure the set is empty because the pair you'll cancel every number, right? So set is empty, then you'll return false. I mean you'll return true, right? So what happened? Alright, so let me rewind again. And what just happened? Okay, I'm gonna just copy and paste, but this is exactly the same solution. Expect nums to have 20 less than equal size 20. You got 21. Oh, sorry. Alright, so there's the problem, but whatever. And yeah, so just make sure your the set of nums is what? Even number, right? And alright, let's talk about the time and space. This is for space, all of n, because you have to know, like, this time you add in a number into the set no matter what, right? And then this is going to be time, all of n represent the length of the nums. So this is the solution. So if you feel helpful, subscribe, like, and I'll see you next time. Bye.